Hey everybody, this is Paul, host of Small Press Big Ideas. I just wanted to pop in with a quick update, and that is that I have wrapped season 3 of the podcast. First of all, a huge thank you to everyone for tuning in, sharing your feedback, and supporting this podcast. This season has been packed with insightful conversations about the future of publishing, innovative revenue strategies, the ever-changing landscape of local news, and a lot of awesome people and great stories. And I personally have loved every moment of it, and I hope that you have too. So I'll be taking a short break, but don't worry, I will be back with a season 4 of Small Press Big Ideas. I don't have a firm date, but it'll be in the next month or so and include even more in-depth discussions, expert interviews, and practical insights to help independent publishers thrive. In the meantime, I did want to make another quick announcement. I've got something exciting lined up. I am hosting a workshop on April 16th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. The workshop is titled Launch a Profitable AI-Powered Podcast for Your News Organization. And in it, I'm going to run over the entire process that I use at my company, localpod.co, to launch profitable, sustainable AI-powered podcasts specifically for news publishers. So I go over how to set up the podcast and host it from scratch, converting written content into high-quality audio, editing and refining that audio, distributing it to all podcast apps, and the juicy part, monetizing it and turning it into a profit center for your publication. So if that sounds interesting, you can scroll down and register for the workshop in the show notes. There'll be a link right there. And it will also appear in my newsletter, Local News Industry Pulse, this Thursday and every Thursday until the event. So if you haven't already, please just go ahead and subscribe to my newsletter. A link also in the show notes. And thank you very much. And until next time, thank you so much for listening. And I hope to see you back for season 4. Thank you so much. That's all. All right, bye.